Oi, oi, oi. Live chat. Pop out chat. Let's not stop. I went to live chat. Live chat. Oi. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Test. Steam. Nanos World dedicated server. I live streaming, live chat. This looks correct. What is showing here? I can see. What is showing here? Where is OBS? Where it's not top. This should be live chat. Nice. Cool. Hi. I'm gonna wait a bit, wait for people to come around. I will already start making some stuff for today's stream. So Nanos World Sandbox. Ideally, we will build a new Nanos World Sandbox. I think I feel that Google will know. Yeah, cool, perfect. Let's see. Last a new puke gun. Cool. So, let's delete this. Nanos World Sandbox. Let's clone this. What do we will be doing today? You may ask. Let's see who's live, who's not live. Said have one emoji. Som tá baixo. Som tá baixo. Som tá baixo. Som está baixo. Oi, como assim o som tá baixo? Mute. Som tá baixo, som tá baixo. Som tá baixo, DJ. Input devices. Som tá baixo. Som e... Oi, som tá baixo? Is this sound better? Wait, what is this? Global. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure we are missing one server here, no? Popper! Hi. I'm gonna wait a bit for people to join. And then the idea of this stream is to create a new tool for the sandbox. And I already know what I'm going to do. Let's see if all the servers are up. What? Turing test is not showing on this list. Where's Turing test? There should be a Turing test. The Turing test. Four. Yeah. Weird. Packages, let's see. And we first change our config. We want to open sandbox. Where is sandbox? This is fine. But our main game today will be sandbox. Nanos World sandbox. Cool. What are we going to do here? Is video supposed to be? Is video supposed? No, it's not supposed to be unlisted. No, 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 no. This is wrong. YouTube keep putting me on unlisted for some reason. I mean, I think YouTube wants me to send a picture of my face. That's horrible. It should not be unlisted. So every time it resets all of my configs. So unlisted is public. Live. It's supposed to be public. I hate YouTube. I mean, sometimes. It's for free streaming, right? So it's not exactly bad. Cool. Let's see what we have here. I think I'm on staging, no? This looks like staging for some reason. This looks like staging. Let me open Nanos World here. Nanos World Bleeding Edge. Let me. Yeah, I was in staging. Cool. Secret contents on staging. Sorry. Sorry for leaking things that I shouldn't be leaking. Leaking. Feels that I'm peeing somewhere. Anyway, let's see. Let's start the Nanos World server. There is some new error, but it's fine. Default empty map. So our sandbox should open here. Leak it out archives. That's true. Cool. The map is default empty map. What we'll be doing is I'm gonna default blank map. Default blank map. Better. Should I use Minecraft? I think I can use Minecraft. Let's see how it behaves if I just use Minecraft. There's a package, right? Game mode should be sandbox. Some stuff may break. Because okay, this I don't know if it's a problem or not, but I just cloned this from GitHub, and it's Nanos World sandbox. Anyway, cool. I'm gonna test on default. What's called the default testing map or Minecraft? I'm not sure. nanodocs.nanosworld.com. Let's see this. We want this in the screen. Default asset pack. Cool. Map. I want to play on testing map. Ocean map is also cool. I'm gonna go for ocean map. But like I know this is not how it is anymore, right? I'm gonna receive probably a warning or of some sort. Let's see. I don't need this anymore. I also want to test the new package by, let me see the username here. Some person posted on Nanos Discord. I'm gonna showcase this because I think it's super cool. So, the user, let me see here. Cool. Yotix, is this how I say your name? Yotix. So this user here he created, or they created like a loading screen example, and let's test it because I quite like those packages where they are kind of plug and play, where we can just add it to our server and things work. So let's see if I can add it here. Is there a flag for auto download stuff? Do I have like an auto download? Uh, let's see. Installing package, failed loading package, loading screen example. Reason: loading screen example, expect type script C module, but got loading screen. So this should be on loading screen. Here. It's my first time using a loading screen. So we put this here. And I think that's enough, right? So let's execute this. Apparently, I don't have any errors. Let's see. Oi! Oi! That's super cool. Yes, that's super nice. That's super nice. I'm gonna. Okay, cool. So what we are going to do here is first we will be disabling all of those debug stuff because we don't want it now. Profiling. We do errors as notifications. I don't want this. I don't want this kind of stuff. I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. No. No. Okay, cool. I can still see my character capsule. Claps for Yotix. Thanks, Yotix. Advanced. So the idea of today's stream is we will be going to Nano Sandbox. So this is a sandbox game mode, and you can see that in the sandbox we have a lot of tools, right? So we have resize gun, wheel gun, wire gun, weld, useless gun, trail gun, thruster gun, and so on. What I want to do is to create a chaos gun. chaosgun.lua. And what this will do is this will fire not all guns, but like we will randomly select a bunch of guns from the list. We will fire, we will spawn new stuff, spawn props, spawn random shit basically. So the idea of the chaos gun is just blah, you know? You click and you have no idea what will happen. Where do you stream? Kickstarter, Twitch, or somewhere else? Let me see here. YouTube. So, we'll be creating this chaos gun that will do all of weird shit. So let's first copy the color gun. I'm gonna rename color gun to chaos gun. First of all, we want this to appear on the sandbox. Also, I really want my debug package, lol, like a Wabbajack. Yes, that's actually maybe a better name, a Wabbajack. You don't know what happens. Maybe. Hey, Yotex, how you doing? You just missed us using your package. Yes, we are doing the Wabbajack. So Chaos Gun. First of all, I will just use this. Why not make a new package? For what? For the Chaos Gun? I could. Do you think it's better like a new package instead of inserting it into Sandbox? Why I was thinking like Sandbox? Because we already have all of the tools and entities here, and I was thinking about getting all of this somehow list of functions from the tool guns and call it like randomly all of the tools. Do you think it's better to create a new package? I could create a new package and use and like just copy and paste stuff from Sandbox. I don't. I think it's maybe also a good idea. So new package. For if it's for April Fools, your package can be loaded together with all the stuff you do for April Fools. That's true. And I have another important question. Will my gun ever be accepted into Sandbox or no? Because if no, I would just create a new package. That's probably better. Yes, that's the thing. Okay. So let's go for Waba Jack. Waba. Wait. 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 Anyone can create packages with the new guns entities. I'm lost, honestly. Waba Jack. I don't know what you're talking about. Should I read it somewhere? So I'm gonna play Sandbox and I'm gonna load Waba Jack here. Uh, so what we would be doing here? Like what I want, my end goal is to be able to click here. Sandbox was refactored to be modular, so you can create a new package with custom entities, characters, weapons. Then Sandbox will load your entities automatically to the spawn menu. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I want. And where can I read about this? Do we have some tutorial here? Maybe? Spawn menu, let's see. Most of the tabs provide ways to automatically add items to the spawn menu. For that, you need to create new classes inheriting from base classes and add some specific attributes to your custom classes. The spawn menu iterates all the inherited classes registered and adds them to it automatically. Check tabs section to see which class are added automatically to the spawn menu. Tabs. The spawn menu has the following tabs by default: props, entities, weapons, vehicles, tools, and NPCs. Right. Tools. All classes inherited from Tool Gun will appear in the Tools tab by default. See Custom Tools to know how to create your own Tool Gun. Cool. Tool Gun. Oh, but can I do this from another package? Like, I'm currently building a utility library inspired by Oxlib for 5M, bundling several practical features: menu creation, alert dialogues, input dialogues, a command system, and more. That's super cool. That's really cool. I don't think we have this on Nanos. We don't have like those default helper libs. Just a tip, maybe. I am a Nanos scripter for a while now, and my what I ask you to do is please add the documentation, because I'm pretty sure we had like some UI libs before, but since there were like no docs or and no easy way to integrate into the game, I think no one used it. So if you are doing something like this, the documentation is really important. Like have a website or something, or Dokusaurus, or where it's possible to read. So Wabajack. Yes, the documentation is planet cool. Let's grab a picture. Wabajack. Dude, I had completely forgot about Wabajack, and now I'm saying Wabajack, Wabajack, Wabajack all the time. Let's see in Google. Let's get a picture of it with Gitbook. Nice. Wabajack PNG. I need something more, you know, tasteful, maybe. Let's see, chaos PNG, what we have here. Okay, okay. I quite like this chaos. And Google can't. There are no more PNGs on the internet. Transparent. Let's see. Okay, this is a really good chaos icon. I'm gonna use this. Save image. Nanos World server. I'm doing this on the other screen. Let me move here now. Server, packages, Wabajack, client, and I'm gonna call it chaos. You may want to inherit from weapon. It may be simpler, like the first sandbox tutorial page. Two guns have some logic for spawning stuff attached and doubling attaching, etc. Okay, so you think it's better. Let's see here. Instead of creating a new two gun, it's create a weapon. That's true. I'm gonna just shoot. Let's see. NPCs, examples, adding new tabs, props, tabs. Spawn menu. Tabs. Weapons. All classes inherit from weapon graded melee will appear. Okay, cool. Cool. So it's on top. Spawn menu. Like this. Cool. But this on the client side. Is this correct? I guess it is. It's fine. Let's do it like this. Index.lua. Inherit. I'm gonna call it Wabajack. If you have any ideas about what I could add to the library, don't hesitate to write them down for me, because I'm French and I have trouble understanding spoken English. Okay, we will do. Wabajack. Assets, nano. I want packages. Packages. Wabajack. Add it to both client and server, but only client will read the image category name once, and only the server will have constructor. Okay. This could be called chaos.png. This is special, and in the server, there is no. I think it's the same, right? Okay. Do I need the image in category? Let's see. Reload. On the server, just inherit. Cool. And you were saying to me that in the special, I was supposed to have my Wabajack. That's here, and Wabajack was not loaded. Was it? Yeah, it was loaded. Nice. Let's see. Tools. Not tools. Weapons. Wabajack. Cool, it's here. Nice. Nice, nice. And this is wrong. For some reason. Jack. Client. Maybe that's why. And on server, you need the constructor. The constructor and logic. Okay, so it's package. Okay. Wait, first let me. Nice. And now I wanna get the constructor weapon. How do I inherit a new weapon? Weapon. I need inheriting classes. That's it is. Constructor here. Cool. This is what we want. And on the server, that's correct. But I'm missing here, no? Should I do like wabajack? Wabajack equals this, like this. And also, yeah, like, that's, And also the constructor for weapon. I do need some stuff here. That's just it. Okay. I just need some location, rotation, and mesh as mesh. So super constructor, location, rotation, as mesh. Do we need this or just location rotation? I think we can just use location rotation, right? And then the mesh, I'm just gonna get the K mesh. Would be cool to have some just location rotation. And for the mesh itself, would be cool to have something like, let's see if this works. Let's call a restart. Weapons, and I have my Wabajack here. Nice. Package load wall. Oh, that's What is this? You better copy the AK constructor. Do we have some Nanos World default weapons? Weapons. Default weapon. Do we have some weapon that like it looks magical somehow? I don't know. Or something different? Should be in your folder already. That's true. Default weapons shared, and I have the AK. Let's see if we have something different here. I quite like the idea of what is the name of that weapon? M1. We could add like something different from the last fire, you know? Yes, this one. This weapon right here. So in the last bullet we can add something, right? Would be cool to have a proper like a proper staff somehow. Now I am with Fobajack in my hand. So instead of doing this, we do this. We don't want this anymore. It's okay. We're gonna replace this with Wabajack. Just copy this. We don't want to add additional word weapons. And this will be package. Yeah, we need a staff. I think we can use something. Can I use any SM mesh here? Because the staff could be something silly, like default asset pack. We could add like oh, do we have a hole? Like a hole. Let me try. You can use a melee. That's true. That's true. That's true. Makes more sense, I guess. And then have the animation for it. Nice. Let's do it. Let's use a melee. I think I do have a shovel here somewhere where we can copy. So shovel is weapon, inherit shovel, location, rotation, whatever. Constructor. Oh, it's not like weapon, it's now melee. Eh? Nice. We have a shovel, but I'm gonna call it Wobblejack. We are getting there. We are getting there. I swear. Wobblejack. And this I'm gonna try to use as MHO. Handling mode, speed, it's 1, cooldown, attachment, whatever. I think that's fine. This will be. Oh, we don't need this function here. Base damage. I'm gonna do something crazy with this. Don't worry. Let's just see if it's working. Message retracted. What happened? Package reload all. Let's see. So you're telling me that in melee I should have. Not yet. Well. That's quite cool. But it's still on this special. I know why. Because of this. Melee. Inherit. Jack category. Get the animation from the crowbar. But the crowbar will do something like this. You know? I quite like the from Skyrim. The one. I'm gonna. I want to change this a bit. I'm gonna spawn like other stuff, but it's fine. For now, that's it. That's it. That's what we will be using. We will implement the tool, and then we can add more cool stuff to it. Now it's melee. It's fine. Constructor, and now we will see what melee is. Let's see here. I want to subscribe to function. Attack. That's it. That's what I want. I want to do Wobblejack. Now I have an important question that was happening before. There are better animations natively as a boss. I have a question. If I do this subscribe, then all Wobblejacks will be called. Should I do like this or like this? With a dot or with... Because if I do this, if someone attacks, it will trigger my Wobbajack, right? Mm. Oh, I see. We have some cool stuff. Hand. It's on the server, so it will be called once. Staggered imp, swing and slam. Head and swerve. Ooh, uppercut, battle entrance, parry, staggered, boss, enemy standing. Bossy enemy. Reaction hit, charged combo. Is in place. RM is in root motion. The character moves with animation. I do want the in place. Running simple. Oh yeah, slam. Parried, staggered, uppercut. Maybe, let's see this. This thing will be like swinging, right? AoE blow. Hand and sword swing. Charged. Let's see this. Mm. Oi. I miss. You know what I miss? I miss first using this. Arrow up does not work on Linux. So I honestly would like a button here somewhere, but I would just copy from all of my game modes. I do this. I have to debug to reload all the packages. I think this would be needed to test in the Wobbajack. I'm gonna copy into my sandbox. So this will be on the server index. I'm gonna put this here, and I also hi DMaxi. I Your name is not I know your name from somewhere, I guess. Maybe from last stream. I don't know. I don't remember. Sorry. And also from Big, we will be copying debug. Cool. We need this, and we will move this to the client. Ta 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 ta. Nice. Nice. Now we do a package. Reload all. Apparently it did work. Now if I press P, nice, it's working. My idea of C module for Minecraft's game mode. Yes, 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 that's true. We are now doing the Wobbajack from Skyrim, so we are creating. It's still here, it's still on special for some reason. No. What is happening? That's not exactly what I want. I'm gonna go back. Hi Timmy, how you doing? I'm gonna go back to my previous animation. Wobbajack. Wobbajack. Oh, we need some. We are missing some like silly, mushy music, I guess. So if we go to music YouTube, I want no copyright music silly. You know, I want something good. Thanks, and you? I'm fine. Background music, no copyright. I want something from Incompetech. You know. Let's see. That's horrible. That's horrible. That's horrible. Okay. 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 This is what I want. Maybe it's too loud. Okay, cool. That was music for a school presentation video. Yes. Now we will subscribe to attack, and here we want to add everything that is possible to happen with the Wobbajack. So I would say spawn random prop. Let's do the following. Let's do the following. We want actions. We will have an actions, and we will implement a bunch of functions here. So we will copy stuff from sandbox. Let's say, I don't know, spawn menu. No, do we want some spawn random prop? We don't want static mesh. We want something more crazy, I would say. So let's come here. Prop. That's what we want. And the prop may or may not have impulse, and I kind of want the functions to be recursive, so it's really chaotic. I'm gonna try to implement and explain this on what I'm planning. So let's say we have this spawn prop function. This is a spawn prop. Cool. I want to list all props from Nanos, and I'm pretty sure there is. Timmy, I have a question. Is possible to generate nav mesh on runtime? That's a really good question that I always think, because I have so many procedure generated maps, and I never managed to have one where the bots could walk into. I do have a nanos table dump. Nanos table. Sample dump. Cool. Nanos dump hat. I want console.log. Let's see what we have here. Nanos World asset pack. So I want first local all asset packs. I'm gonna add this to a function soon. All asset pack names. I think I do need the path, no? All asset packs paths. Maybe that's it. On Nanos World, get asset path, get blueprints, get maps, get materials, get others. We want all of them. We want get animations. All animation assets key from asset pack. We want first, let's go from the beginning. Get static meshes. That's what we want. Asset spec path. Okay, so we need to iterate over this for in pairs right to and get we're gonna do assets dot static meshes v dot path. I think that's it. Local all asset pack, no, static meshes from this pack. And I will do this dump because I really want to check if it's working. Cool. Let's see. Boom. No. Get static mesh, expect string got new in the 0 parameters. So console.log, I don't know what is this. V. Maybe I need like something like this then. No. Oi. I have a table and I have the index here. So this does not work. Why? Path, like it is like this then. Nope. I'm iterating on table. Hmm? Yes. Yeah, huh? Cool. Worked. Cool. I kind of don't want categories. I just want all asset, all static meshes. So here I'm getting the path, but I can still go down one more level, no? I can still get the key like this. Maybe. No. yeah, okay, cool. So from here, I'm going to run another 4. I'm gonna make it more readable later, I promise. Eh. So here, static mesh from this pack. We want this. I do want static mesh from this. I want key. So I'm gonna add it to all table.insert. All static meshes. I'm gonna add first my asset back. Static mesh from this pack. I want this. Cool. And then let me test here. Console log. Nice. Nice. So, no. It's missing an end. Where? 33. Oh, this is wrong. I don't want this. Plus 2. Okay. What I'm missing here? I'm missing this. Oh, nice. We have a list of all static meshes in one table. This is perfect. We need like this. Nice. So spawn prop. And here I will run perfect. I do want a random location. No, I want I'm gonna call it base. Base. So this will be, now we want some to make the random shit happening, right? So base dot, are we going to like get let location if math random. Hey Maxi, sorry, I just saw the message. We all about not sure about Nanos. When you start from here, and F we will be doing a random position. I honestly feel this is a perfect task for Claude or ChatGPT or whatever. So let's first start with this spawn prop. I'm gonna call spawn prop, and I will also want to my prop set lifespan. I want to add like math.random. Let's do this. What is this? A Claude is my new junior teams. Yes, right. It makes a lot of sense. So weapons chaos. I need to reload. And why do I feel? Yes. And what is the speed? Weapons. Oh! Set lifespan. It's wrong. It is. It is. Well, we already have some silly stuff happening. Hello, passing by. Hello all. Happy Nanos coding stream. Thank you, 10-year. 10-year tip. Let's see. Sorry if it has already been asked. What are you cooking for April Fools? This, I'm doing the Wabba Jack. The Wabba Jack will be a tool like this that will use all of the Nanos tools functions that we have so far randomly. So ideally we would like use this gun and have no idea what it can happen. Like adding impulse, like adding lights, welding stuff. Wrong number. Love it. Yes, that's the idea. It must throw it. Wait. We are setting stuff yet. We are preparing, and somehow sometimes there is a wrong number of arguments for melee attack. We need it. Okay. I'm gonna do the following. I'm gonna test how Claude handles this. Should be bonkable on character heads, yes. Okay. Yeet and bonk. Yeet and bonk. Yes, but this is one of the functions, right? I want to run a random and keep calling it recursively while there is stuff to do. So what we want is let me test if Cloud can do this. Are we in Wabajack? Wabajack server. First of all, and attack like a random. Nice, let's see. Maxi side is here. Maxi side is here. Okay, makes more sense. Spawn prop. Need to eat. Why am I having this error sometimes? Wrong argument. Why am I having this error? Wrong arguments for attack. In global spawn prop. Wait. What do you mean in global spawn prop? I only have one argument. And I'm passing self. Should I pass the handler? Like, is the Wabajack not being a good tool for this? See, still having this problem, but only sometimes. But argumented to random interval is empty. Where? What? Line 49. Yeah, now it's a different error. Size of actions. 0 maybe? No, it's not 0. In Lua it starts in 1. Interval. Oh, it needs to be an interval. That's why. So should I add like this? Does this work? Does this fix my problem? Here, bad argument to random. No, it's still not working. Bad argument to random. Oh, hi, Said. What do I mean bad argument to random? It is size of actions. Oh yeah, no, I know. No. It's because of this. Yes, I do want to write it. It was new before. Yes, I do want to write it. Said is Olivato's first fan. Yes, and thank you so much for this. Now I'm having an error in melee event. Wrong number of arguments for line 41. In local action, cool. Okay. I can see. Okay. I have an idea. Maxi is the top 2. I'm gonna grab some water. But I have a really cool idea on how we can improve the Wabajack and make it weird shit happen here. 1 second. I'm back. It didn't take much. I was just grabbing some water and maybe coffee. What time is it? It's 5. I'm gonna also grab some coffee and close my Telegram. Nice. The fuck? So this is the problem of using Claude. It's like redefining the things already defined on Nanos. But it's okay. Okay. Set scale is making a scale from okay. The Vim extension would help you and Claude Light, I think. Yes, I'm sure. Can I grab anything? No. Okay. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We are spawning random stuff. I don't know if I like this scale. I don't want scale. Nice. and this will return the prop. The thing about the Wobbajack is every time we attack, we will be running number of actions, right? This will be a random from 5 to something. And we will be calling a bunch of actions, and we will pass to the action itself something. And by something, I means I'm gonna call targets like this, targets. This will be a list with first self and handler, right? And the action will always return something. So this action, like this will return, I don't know. Yeah, let's run this for here. Number of actions. That's not. Yeah, that's what we want. That's true. But like for example, and here we will do like local target, right? This receive. This just receive. We are adding something to the pool of possible targets, and here we want a math.random targets, and here we run targets table dot insert. We want our target here in this table. This means we will like spawn new stuff, and we add possible targets to this stuff that we are spawning. Cool. I don't want this. Fast set visibility, set mass scale, maybe. Add impulse. Let's see. It's okay. It's it's more closer to what I'm expecting. Okay, I'm gonna add the impulse. I'm gonna make it like fly away. It's starting to get chaotic. It's starting. We may or may not want some delays in the actions. So we can do like this. Set timeout. So we will call this into, I don't know, in a random. This already makes no sense in Lua. Because it doesn't. We are looping with like a timeout that will have or will not have stuff there. Okay. I can see why. I can already understand some stuff. You can only add impulse with gravity enable. That's true. I want everything with gravity enabled. Everything I need grav mode, whatever. CCD. I don't want CCD. What I was using this for? Grav mode, CCD. I don't care about this. Collision type. I do want. I don't care about this. Claude redefinitions. This doesn't make any sense. The scaling. I may want scale, but I want like an integer scale like this. Just one lifespan we do want. Cast shadow we don't care. Mass. Physics damping maybe. Add impulse. Actually, instead of doing this, we will separate the add impulse to another function, to another Wobbajack function, so we can apply impulse into anything, right? So I'm gonna try and go and ask Claude on how to add impulse. I'm gonna go here, sandbox server. I'm gonna ask for Wobbajack Wabbajack server. I'm gonna ask to Claude create a new action that adds impulse to the base. It can be anything. Make the impulse random. But with a global scalar. Okay, cool. At impulse, we don't care this right now. Like, I don't think it's we'll be using the impulse and angular impulse here. Let's see what Claude did. Claude created the impulse base. It is we applying times impulse scalar. Maybe I think it's always better to make the impulse to where my character is looking at, right? I think it's better, but we are not sure what we are adding impulse to. Like this, let's see. No, there's an error. Thanks, Claude. Thanks for making my code break. This was me. Oh, come on. This wasn't me. This should work. Cool. Collision types. Meh. Whatever. Well, this is a possibility. Maybe that's too much. Right, but our actions are... Yes, let's see here. We have spawn prop and we have impulse, and we are calling... And also our lifespan needs to be at least 5. So everything can apply. Anyway, action... Also, I think... Oh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We are or spawning prop or calling impulse. Where I'm calling my action? I'm not calling my action anymore. Action. Dude. Target. We are defining a target. But we are not doing call action. It's not like this, is it? For some reason, it's applying an impulse to myself. Impulse base. Yeah. Human creates, then AI discreates. That's true. I can see. Oi! I know what is happening. It's here, we need to get a random action every time. Right? It's we want chaos. We want chaos. We do want chaos. So every time we run this, we want to like a new... Let's see. Why? Why? Well, I do have 2 actions. Oi. Action target. Okay, we are calling this. We have the targets. And we want local action. We want a random action every time. And we insert a target returned. Let's see. Doesn't make sense. We have a target from random targets. We first start just us as a possible target. And okay, it's fine. It's fine. We could run like a random. Do we have a way to get to like a random entity in the world? We do, right? Okay, I can see. Uh-huh. Okay, we are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Make impulse to be random to be or angular impulse or normal impulse. Make it random. Now let's use another. Let's create another possible function. We have a spawn prop. We have add like impulse base. Okay, so we want a new. Create a new. What is the name of this? New action. Oi. Spawns a ribbon in the given base. What is the name of the gun? It is not ribbon gun. What is it called? It is tools trail. It's already okay. We are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Let's see. Now we have another spawn ribbon on. I don't want options. Hmm. Don't use options. Make it all random. Cool. Let's see. Okay, cool. And do we have this in my action? Yes, we do. Let's see. Now the Wobble Jack should also spawn ribbons. Ribbon, ribbon, ribbon. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. I can see something happening. I can see something happening here. Uh-huh, uh-huh. I'm gonna increase this scalar multiplier. Impulse scalar, I'm gonna increase this to 1000. And in my add impulse, I'm gonna check if base is a character. Is it like this? This is getting so nonsense. Come on, that's the idea. I'm gonna just reduce. So I'm gonna do that. Local impulse is impulse scalar. And if it's a character, I'm gonna reduce this. I know it's like divided by 10. Yes, cool. And here I'm gonna use impulse. Impulse, cool. Nice. So let's see how it is. Now everything should like maybe or may not fly. Expected a class as a parameter is should be a correct. Okay. How do I die? Respawn. Perfect. Nice. Expect as a class as a parameter. Is this true? Well, it is. Wait, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. If then I'm gonna. Wait about that. Okay, cool. If it's a character, we don't want to apply that much impulse to characters. Okay. Ah! Why? Why? Let me reduce this. Okay, let's add another function. What is another cool tool gun that we have? We want scale. Yes, we want things to may or may not scale. Balloon gun. Let's use balloon gun. Balloon. Make a new action that randomly that attaches a balloon with random parameters to the base. Return the balloon. Cool. What else do we want? We want spring gun thruster. Whoa! We do want thrusters. We do want thrusters. We want colors. We want resize, and we want cars. Maybe spawn vehicles, spawn weapons, spawn like maybe random entities. Let's see how it is. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, we need to do Lua random seed. Let's see the next one. We want to add thrusters. Hi Kigo. How are you doing? Uh-huh. 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 Hi Otavis, how you doing? Why the props are not? I mean, the props are spawning. But for some reason, it's just spamming balloons now. Uh-huh, uh-huh. And okay, and things are disappearing, right? So things are getting destroyed, like I think they are. Maybe balloons are not. Okay, let's see. How is our Wabbajack? Okay. We have a wall, balloon, balloon, balloon. Okay. Hi, Nardi. Again. We are like game nightmare. Why nightmare? It's April Fools. We are trying to create a tool that don't make any sense. Okay, we have thrusters. We have. We have thrusters. We have balloons. Okay. And we are spawning props, right? Okay. We are spawning props. Maybe we should spawn more props. Let's just add this function twice. What is the next function that we want? We want the wheel gun, maybe. Light. Lamp, light, button, balloon, puke. I don't know. Color. This is getting so out of control. We want to spawn cars, maybe. And also, I think it's a great idea, like a really great idea, to create instead. No, I'm gonna start like this. It's fine. Fine. um. Um. Okay. Let's see how it is. I feel that we are getting somewhere. Uh-huh. See? Like, if you look at this, tell me that is not a success. Come on. Also, I want maybe. I'm wondering if we could. This scale is weird. Oh. This string is starting to lag. Nah, don't worry. It's not. Okay? It's not chaotic. It's under control. Maybe. Let's the following. I want. There is like a lifespan. Also, this scale. I always want integers. I don't want like half scale stuff. So like this. Scale. We don't want this. We want like this. Scale. Scale. Okay, cool. And lifespan. I really want a random lifespan for stuff. Balloon. Thruster. Scale. Also, we want this should be like this. Nice. Hey Said, is there a function to fire? Fire bullets. Like I want to spawn a weapon and make it fire. Okay, cool. Bubba Jack, let's see. Uh-huh. I see. Uh-huh. It is looking okay. No weapons need the character to fire. I mean, it's looking well, you know. There are some explosions here and there. And the balloons are super big for some reason now. Uh-huh. It is. Oh, the particles are here forever. Okay. Why the stuff are attaching to you? Because it's random. They may or may not attach to me. Like they can, all stuff can attach to all stuff. Where is the scale? Scale. I don't want this scale. I also want to. How do you call I think it's we are getting somewhere. Right? It's lagging. Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah. It's lagging. I don't know why. There's some poop. What happens if I... Oh! I like this. I like this. I like this. Okay, so in the Wabajack, there is an option of on how many iterations we are going to do. It's like from 5 to 25. We can increase this. Also, all functions return something, right? Return particle, return vehicle, return grenade, and that's perfect. I think that's exactly what we want. Spawn prop, impulse space, and we can increase this to, let's say, 50. And do like really crazy stuff. Let's see how far this can go. Uh-huh. 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 We are getting there, no? No? Okay. We are driving a truck. We are driving a truck now. We are driving a truck. What the fuck? Uh-huh. This is perfect on so many levels. Uh-huh. Wait! Now we are now in a boat. Why? Amazing. No way! I crashed using the wobble check. Don't know why. I really don't know why. Okay. Hi. This don't make any sense. It just got so cursed. Why? It's lagging for some reason. What is the next too? Like I like that it's just 5 to 15 seconds, but I maybe do this. I'm gonna like maybe increase the duration of stuff to like for 5 seconds, 5 minutes, so it can or can last like, let's see. Like right now it's cool. I mean, it's a way, it's a like maybe a reliable way to find crashes in the game, right? You know what I'm going to do? I think we can go further. I want to respawn. I think should name it Waba Crash. That's a nice name. That's a nice name. Waba Crash. I like it. Or like Crash Desktop. Let's reload. Now we have a new option. New thing is we are adding wheels. Wheel. Where is? Oh. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Dude. We are not done yet. You know this. What is the next function? Maybe. Ew. I'm gonna restart the server. Restart the server. Like I can't. I need to close the server. I'm gonna add like a small chance of all props. We are spawning vehicles, we are spawning characters, we have ribbons, we have particles, we have thrusters. What else do we need here? It's not over yet. We have wheels. We have wheels, but let's see how it is. How it's the wobble jack. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Next two. We want... I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Next two will be light maybe. Rope. Oh. Oh, rope. We need rope. Oh, we need ropes. We really do need ropes. There's no future after ropes. No. Honestly, this is pretty cool. And after ropes, we are adding... We already have wheels. We have lives. Maybe... what else? I'm feeling that I'm missing something here. We are missing something here. Floating text. Flashlight. Bouncy ball. I'm gonna grab my coffee. Look, in my defense, I'm just spawning. I'm just spawning stuff from the docks. I'm not doing any crazy stuff. I'm just using like see? That's it crashed. It crashed. There is no future after. Okay, so I think I will add more stuff now. What else are we missing here? It's funny that the crash come from chaos physics. But it's strange, right? It should maybe lights now. So this means that you can't do anything. That's like literally from Unreal, and there is nothing to do about it. Look what we have left. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Ah, yes, 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 yes. That's actually pretty fun. Let's see, now we have lights. Waba crash. Sometimes that's it, right? That's what we can do. Also I want to change this on. Oh, yeah, not this. How do I come here? I wanna go back here. Spawn prop. Here I'm gonna make it off. Nice. Nice, cool. Let's see. Totally unplayable. Why unplayable? Come on. Look at this. Sometimes nothing happens. And other times we have a bunch of stuff happening. Translate, okay. Papa Jack. That's so cool! Honestly, it's stopped crashing now. There's an error in 381. Cable set lifespan. I can't call set lifespan on cable. Yes, I got the Wilhelm screen. You have been Wilhelmed, yes. Dude, honestly, it's looking. Do you wanna join my server? Well, it's looking promising. Like, how many times can I use the Wobble Jack? Like, now we can do this. Oi! Maybe 100 actions. That's a lot. Oi. What? Okay. Wobble Jack. I mean, we can maybe increase this to maybe 100 actions. Let's see. How much? I'm still alive. Perfect. Everything. Okay, 100 actions is too much. Too much actions. Let's reduce this to 25. It's enough. We now have the scaling. They are missing something. Oh. Have a bunch of I think honestly, do you consider this an April Fool's tool? Or is it missing something? I feel that something is missing. Of course, we are missing random web pages. I can imagine there are people using. Look at this. Sometimes nothing happens. That's so beautiful. We're missing like guns, I guess. We're missing guns. Like shooting guns. Oh, we are almost there. Ay. Oh yes, now I'm giant. Look, do you do you think this is a proper April Fool's item or no? Like, do I earn the April Fool's badge for this or not yet? Maybe I also want to control something else, like there is a tutorial on play as a prop, no? Does this work? Think's good enough. Nice. So I'm thinking about publishing this package. Maybe remove the crashes, not the crashes from Unreal, but the errors in Lua. This still became like a Pandora box. Yes, it did. It is so random, the things that can happen here. This is amazing. This is amazing. I have a new test. Now we have play as a prop. So there's like a small chance to play as a prop. Also, um, spring gun, elastic gun. We have entities, right? Sign, photo frame, floating text. I think that's it. I would just publish this. Oh, this character have a gun. Cool. Now it's possible for characters to have guns. I can't believe this is happening. Please, Sai, join me. Join me in the Wabba Jack. Let's play some Wabba Jack. I mean, some sandbox with Wabba Jack. Oh! Please join me. People in chat, if you guys want to join, the server should be public and available. Oh, and the character, the bot's killing me. Oh, and Said really joined. I'm just gonna restart the server to remove all. The server is not in the server list. Oh, so people, you need to follow me or Said, I guess. Grab your Wabajack. The first to die loses. My game crashed. This is not made to be online. Who crashed first? There are stuff that is not made to be online. You know, too much of a good thing. Exactly. So I think we should publish the package. Let's see. It's working okay. Oh my god. They crashed because of characters. Let's see here. Cool. I think I will. Oi, something exploded. I will publish this package on Nanos Store, and I will do it using. Oh, there's someone here. Is it you? Is this one you? Oh yes, you're here. Cool. Hey, hi. It's crashing too much. I'll just publish the package. I think that's the end of whatever we are doing. Too much physics. It is. And then how do I publish this? I need, is it here? Scripts, no. Installed. Create new package. This will be called Waba Crash. Waba Crash. Unleash the Pandora's Wrath. Yeah, that's a script, create package. This is a local resource, local folder. So let's see here. I'm gonna move my Wabajack. I will change the name to the package. This will be called Wabajack. This will be Wabacrash. And I'm gonna also move the Wabacrash to Steam package common Nanos World. Steam Steam apps common Nanos World server packages. I do have the Wabacrash here. Yes, I'm gonna move it. The directory is not empty. So first, is it the directory? I know it's the directory. And let's move the Wabacrash. Refresh. Wabacrash. Cool. Can I is it here? Where is the local Wabajack? Nano string. Nanos World server. So this package. Wabacrash. Yeah. Wabacrash. Friendly name. Can I do this? Unleash Pandora's Wrath. Author. Olivato. And string. Version is fine. Package requirements. Yes, those are the requirements. I think that's it. The title is Wabajack. The title should be Wabacrash, no? Here. And now we want to create this resource on store. Name Wabacrash script. Yes. Resource Wabacrash created successfully. We do want title Wabacrash. Unleash Pandora's Wrath. Short description. Wabacrash is a new tool or is a new gun, new weapon. That can be used in sandbox. It does random stuff until the game crashes. We need a new April Fool's tag. That's true. Let me get the full thing. The full waba. The following actions will be called recursively. Save info. Version. Upload local version. Upload. Add the following actions to Wabacrash. Confirm. Cool. I'm gonna release this, and I'm gonna add an image tags. We have comedy. Sandbox. That's it. It is a weapon. It is a weapon. I'm gonna grab some screenshots from this live stream, I guess. Cool. And also I'm gonna open the store because my Nanos is running on Linux, so I'm gonna open the store here to make it easier. We will ask. We are going to do JS Paint. Ignore. We are going to do a logo. Nanos World. Waba crash. I can do something like this. This is really important. Also, there's something like this. Also, we need a proved image. Family. Thumbs up. Let's see. Cool. We are going to add some meme here. Mm, 100% better than AI Slop logo. Yes. Account. Let's come here. Other. It's missing also. What do you mean resolve? It's here, no? Save. Version released. Like, why it's unpublished? How do I publish? Media. Publish. A version. Also, I want to add some screenshots. And for the screenshots, we will open the live stream and take some pictures. So we come here. Am I live, right? I'm live. So come here, content, live, April Fools. April Fools. Okay, cool. We have this. I think this is like a really good April Fools. Okay, cool. We have this. Oh yeah. Can we hear ourselves? Like really good April Fools. Look at the screenshot and example posso menu off from Lua. Look at the screenshot of an example of possible menu. I'm gonna check. Look at the screenshot of an example of possible menu. I'm just making some stuff here. Inception. Screenshot? Where did you send the screenshot? It's in Nanos. General. Where did you send the screenshot? I sent a link. Where? Where did you send a link? I'm wondering. I sent a link. I didn't send. Why do you mean there are no screenshots? I just added a screenshot. Where's my cover image? Come on. Save. Save. Okay. That was it. No, it's not working. I want my cover image. And my screenshots. No. No. Use the in-game UI. What? Actually, it did work. But for some reason... I think that's it. That's a good screenshot. Also, we will be adding a screenshot of my library that I'm currently working on in the menu. Let's see. Vault. That's not the one, right? In the menu. DM on Discord. I see. So you are saying that you are creating a library where, let me open here on, so we can create those menus just using Lua. That's it? If yes, that's amazing, because I hate opening HTML and JS for simple stuff. This would be super cool, definitely. Yes, nice. I like this. Now with that we have a published package for April Fools, I need to know where do I submit my my April Fools package. Do we have this already? I'm gonna write also here in made for April Fools 2026. Save. Nice. Also, I want a new screenshot. I really like the one with the string. Let me change the quality. Let me compress. Make some compression. PNG quant. Nice. Upload new screenshot. It is the 18. This one. Cool. Nice. Nice. Now we have the proper published package. That's perfect. So people, thanks for coming for today's stream. I know it was quite short, but I want to do something for April Fools, and I want to share with you. It's a simple package, you saw it me creating. I just asked Claude to do everything basically. I was copying stuff from Sandbox to this game mode is 2, I guess. Um, it's completely useless, honestly. Like completely useless. And those two songs were making me crazy. It's completely useless, but it's for April Fools, so I think it's okay. So thanks everyone for coming to today's stream. If you want to test the Wawa Crash, please open Nanos World. I think it's already usable. Blessed be the Wawa Crash. Thanks for for my supporters. So see you guys next Wednesday. I may, that's not a promise, but I may start doing more than once a week streams because I really like creating Nanos game modes. So that's it. Bye, people, and see you on next Wednesday. Bye.